Welcome to your new home at the ARAYA Park Residences, an 11.3-hectare, fully developed subdivision at the heart of Sta.Rosa, Laguna. Located a few meters from SM and Robinson's malls, 24-hour convenience stores, banks, and gasoline stations can save time from your daily needs for your household. More importantly, New Sinai MDI, a fully equipped hospital, is just a few steps away to keep you and your family healthy. The ARAYA Park Residences is a gated community with round-the-clock security to keep you safe. To enhance our commitment to the environment, our houses and streetlights are equipped with a solar power system. Strategically placed within ARAYA Park Residences are 11 parks and playgrounds, which includes a main clubhouse with function rooms, kid zones, a multi-purpose court, and a 200-square-meter swimming pool with a pool slide. The ARAYA Park Residences. Lifestyle built your way. The Redwood model at the ARAYA Park Residences. Our Redwood model is a 70-square-meter net livable unit with 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and baths. A service area and a carport. It comes fully furnished with an independent solar power package system separate from the main electricity powered by Meralco. Each solar power package system comes with a solar panel, a controller, and a battery pack to save you on your electricity costs and light up the house during brownout when experiencing typhoons. There is a USB charging station located in the living room for your gadgets and phones. The ARAYA Park Residences. Lifestyle built your way.